Welcome to our channel, Right to Learn. Now we are going to discuss the introduction part of MS Excel. So I will explain you the basic things of MS Excel, how it looks like, and what are the different formats of Excel we use. So let me show you the worksheet. So this is a worksheet of MS Excel. So this is how it look like. So I'll tell you now how to open the Excel sheet. The first thing, you can just go to run command, press Windows R. So just type excel.exe and the Excel sheet gets open. So you can click blank workbook. So it opens with a name called book workbook. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. It features calculation, graphic tools, pivot tables and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for application. I'll tell you some more ways to open the Microsoft Excel in your machine. So first thing I have shown Windows R and type excel.exe, and the second thing is you can just click on your desktop icon. You can just click on your desktop icon and you can open it. And you can also open it in your mobile. If you are having Excel app, you can download it from Google Play Store. And suppose you have not installed MS Office in your machine, you can directly go to your browser and open Google Sheets. I'll share you the link in the description. However, I'll show you here. So open your browser, just type, so the Google Sheets gets open. So you can just click on blank sheet and the same sheet you can open. So if you have not logged into your Gmail account, system will ask you to log into your Gmail account. Since I have already logged into my account, it did not prompt me. So this is the second way. And there is one more way where you can log in to Excel online. So I'll share you the link in the description. Let me show you here also. So this is a link. So for this you need to have an Outlook account. The system will ask you to sign in case if you are not logged into the system. So you can log into your Outlook account and you can access the Excel. So this is a workbook and this is a toolbar. The file, home, insert, the options where you see is a toolbar. So this is also called ribbon. So if you click on it, if you double click on it, it will disappear. If you double click again, it will appear. See, let me double click on home. So it disappeared. So again double click it, it will appear. And this A1 represents the cell number. Wherever you place your cursor, so this is a name box. Okay, see, when I place my cursor over there, it gives me a name box. So wherever you place a cursor, the cell number will display the where your cursor is placed. And this is the formula bar. So if you write some formula here, so it will display the formula. Whatever the formula present in that particular cell, it will display that particular formula. So for suppose I have placed a cursor in cell A1. So if I want to go to last column or last row, I just need to press control down arrow and control up arrow, control down arrow, control side arrows. Okay, so in earlier workbook, earlier versions, the row numbers are from 65,536 and columns are 256, and the newer versions, it has been increased to 1,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. I'll tell you what is XLS workbook and XLSX workbooks. So XLSX workbook is a new one and XLS is an older one. I'll show you the slide. So these XLSX and XLS are Microsoft Excel spreadsheets commonly used to store financial data and to create mathematical models. So these are XLS files use a proprietary binary format, whereas XLSX files use open XML formats. So from Microsoft 2007, the XLSX version has been started, and Microsoft Excel 2003 and earlier it was XLS formats. And here you can see sheet. So for every workbook you can have n number of sheets. So the number of sheets depends upon the storage of your system. So you can add n number of sheets. So to create sheets without using keyboard or without using mouse, you can just use a shortcut in keyboard. It's Shift F11. I repeat, it's Shift F11. Shift F11. Shift plus F11. Okay, let me click. See, the sheets are getting added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at the bottom. So here, sheet 9. If I press Shift F11 again, sheet 10 gets added. So in this way you can add sheets. You can add a number of sheets in the workbook, in one workbook. And you can, if you want to switch, suppose if we have 1,000 sheets in one workbook, so you cannot just click here and these sheets are not visible. In that case, you need to just come here and right click. Here you can see the sheets present in the workbook. You can directly go to the workbook by just double clicking on this. So if I want to go to sheet 8, just double click here. Now we are in sheet 8. You can also rename the sheet, make the color, tab color, and you can protect sheet. The protect sheet I will cover in the later sessions. And you can rename the sheet book 1. In this way you can rename the sheets. And coming to here, these are scroll bars. So this is a horizontal scroll bar and this is a vertical scroll bar. And using this you can zoom in and zoom out the page. You can only zoom in the work area, not the toolbar. And this zoom in zoom out I can even do with pressing Ctrl and scrolling the mouse button. Just scrolling. Okay. Suppose you want to select the entire column. What you need to do? You need to just press here. Now I am selecting the entire column. If you want to select entire row, just click here. The entire row gets highlighted. Let me show you basic example. Suppose I want to sum two numbers. So let me write 20 here and 30 here. So what is the sum of these two numbers? It is 50. So let me do it with Excel. For every formula you write, you need to first start with is equal to. Then only write the formula. So is equal to sum, open bracket, select the cell with the mouse, comma, and C5. Enter. The sum is 50. So in D5 I have written some formula. So if I want to view that formula, you can just click here and see it in formula bar. The other way you can see is just if you want to view the formula in the worksheet only, then just press Ctrl and tilt. So suppose if I have n formulas in the worksheet, I cannot view them at a time on the formula bar. So in that case I need to press Ctrl tilt key. So tilt key is present near the 1, left to the 1. So tilt key is this one. So this is a tilt key. So press shift and this. So this is a tilt key. You can again press Ctrl tilt to come back to the normal mode. and if you click on file, you get the new open, info, save as, and export. In earlier versions you don't have this file option, you have an office button. If you click on the office button, the same option will appear. And let me show you one more thing here. Suppose I have home, insert this ribbon. Just if you want to view or unview these tabs, you can do it by using custom ribbon. Just right click here, customize the ribbon. So if unselect this, insert, draw, page layout, if I unselect this, it will get disappear. See, I cannot view the insert button here. Now if I want them again, just right click, customize the ribbon, click this, insert, draw, page layout. Okay, you can also add the particular option here. So I'm just going to the main tabs here, not the tool tabs, only main tabs, and click OK. So again I got the insert, draw options. And if you are currently working in the present sheet and if you want to open new sheet without using mouse, you can just press Ctrl N. It's a shortcut key. Ctrl N, then new book gets opened. It's not the new sheet, it's a new book, new workbook. Suppose if your application has been crashed, it doesn't open, then you can open the Excel in safe mode. Let me show you how you open the Excel in safe mode. Let me close this first. For closing, you can just go to right top and just press close, or you can use the shortcut Alt F4. So you can use the safe mode. Just press and hold your control key and open the application. So system will prompt you. You are holding the control key. Do you want to start the Excel in safe mode? So I want to start in safe mode. Yes. So we use the safe mode if the application stops without giving any error message or something. So if the system or the application gets hanged, you can open the Excel in safe mode. And that's all in this video. I'll show you more options in the coming videos. How to use Excel and I'll explore more options in the Excel.
Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.